Here I have a Nokia G60, and today I'm going to show you how to how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow motion, and now let's record something in slow-mo. So as usual, I'm just gonna record this toilet paper spin. So let's get it. Okay, and now let's check it out. Okay, and as you can see on this video, toilet paper spins like kinda slower. Can't say that it's like the slowest slow-mo I've seen in my life, but it's pretty decent slow motion. So as you can see, like on this video, we can see how it moves. Quite slower than in real life, have to admit it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.